Welcome back to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2026 Porsche 911 Carrera. When it comes to iconic sports cars, the Porsche 911 stands as a timeless benchmark. With the refreshed 2026 Porsche 911 Carrera, Porsche continues to refine its masterpiece, blending performance, style, and cutting-edge technology. Driving a 911 Carrera isn't just about numbers, it's about the experience. From its responsive steering to the refined ride quality, the Carrera delivers joy mile after mile. The 2026 Porsche 911 Carrera builds upon its exceptional foundation with incremental yet impactful updates. These changes ensure the Carrera remains the gold standard among sports cars. Enhanced engine power. The 3.0-liter flat-six engine now delivers 388 horsepower, a modest but welcome 9 horsepower increase. Torque remains at 331 lb-ft, with peak availability slightly higher in the rev range at 2000 rpm. Updated technology. The Carrera receives a fully digital 12.6-inch curved instrument cluster, capable of displaying up to 7 different views, replacing traditional analog dials. The 911 Carrera's iconic silhouette remains untouched, maintaining its timeless appeal. Refreshed bumpers. Subtle updates to the front and rear bumpers give the Carrera a modern edge without straying from its classic aesthetic. LED matrix headlights. Standard LED matrix lights with auto high beams improve visibility, while optional HD LED matrix lights offer even greater precision. Sensor placement. Beware of the grille-mounted sensors that come with optional features like night vision and active cruise control. They can disrupt the otherwise clean design. Step inside the 2026 911 Carrera, and you'll notice a seamless blend of modern tech and classic design elements. 100% digital instrument cluster. The fully digital screen offers customization and clarity, allowing drivers to tailor their display preferences. Drive mode switch. Previously exclusive to models with the Sport Chrono package, this steering wheel-mounted feature is now standard across all Carrera variants. Optional small back seat. This practical addition enhances versatility, making the Carrera a sports car you can live with daily. The heart of the 911 Carrera lies in its turbocharged 3.0-liter flat-six engine. Dual turbo setup. Unlike the new GTS, which opts for a single electrified turbocharger, the Carrera retains its twin-turbo configuration for a more traditional driving feel. Acceleration. With the Sport Chrono package, the Carrera sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 3.2 seconds. Porsche conservatively estimates slightly slower times, but real-world tests suggest otherwise. Driving dynamics. The 8-speed dual-clutch transmission offers smooth and precise shifts, while the communicative steering ensures an engaging driving experience. The price of the 2025 Porsche 911 starts at $122,095 and goes up to $187,995 depending on the trim and options. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.